only online courses that are about how to make money that actually sell. No, this is a huge misconception that's out there in the world. So many business owners think, oh, it's only people who are selling courses on how to sell courses or how to make money or how to become a billionaire that actually are successful. My friends, you could not be more wrong. Actually, how to make money is way down on the searching from human beings that are looking for online courses, and there is actual data to back this up. Now, first of all, let's take a wee tiny trip back to psychology. Psychology in terms of what course should we create, what product should we create, what should we be selling in general as a business owner, comes down to understanding the motivation of our learners. Why are they motivated to learn? What is it that is making them want to learn something new? And I'm telling you now, not everyone takes an online course or studies a program because they want to make money. And this is backed up by the fact that many people are buying courses purely for the pleasure of learning something new, for a hobby, right? There are people out there who are buying courses in jewelry making, candle making, essential oils, using crystals, golf, fishing, everything you could imagine, not just because they want to turn that into a business, and not at all because they want to turn it into a business. Many people are learning those skills purely because it's a hobby, it's a thing they enjoy, and they want to learn about just because. Now let's go and give you some actual data here. If we talk about Udemy, the marketplace, one of the biggest marketplaces in the world for online courses, who produce reports every single year on what the biggest trending topics were, where the most amount of money was made in terms of the course sales that happened. This actually shows us right now, and you can do this by going to Udemy and checking out trending courses. It will show you that the most popular, highest selling courses are absolutely not called how to make money. They are actually all courses that are about learning a skill. They cover things like how to use Excel, coding, web development, graphic design, Photoshop, project management. Those are the highest selling courses on that platform. There are 40 million students learning on that platform. So this data is pretty valid in giving us an idea as to what kind of topics are selling. Also, the most popular types of topics when we're talking about courses and we're talking about coaching programs, we're talking about books, information that people are paying to consume, are actually very rarely about how to make money online. They are in fact evergreen topics that are deeply entrenched in human need, human psychology. And these are things around our belonging needs, love, relationships, sex, communication, leadership. These are all the kinds of topics, personal development, spirituality, religion, that are fundamental in human interest and have been for centuries and will probably continue to be for centuries as well. So yes, when you're thinking about creating your own online course, you need to be thinking about, is making money in some way going to be one of the motivators that my students will have in taking this course? Are they planning to use the skills that I'm going to teach them and the knowledge that I'm going to give them to go on and get a job? Is it going to be a traditionally employed career that they're going to go and make money with this skill from? Is it their own business they're going to create? Is it going to be an all-in business, or is it going to be a little side hustle just to make a bit of extra pocket money per year? Yes, making money may be one tiny motivator behind somebody taking any course at all. But if you think that that is the thing they are searching for, you have your human motivation behind your students' reasons for taking your course completely the wrong way around. It is always the actual skill that's being taught, the topic that is being searched for and in demand, over the primary function of how to make $1 billion when you're on the toilet, right? So my advice to you guys is teach what you love. Teach the thing you're passionate about. Teach the thing that you love spending your time doing. You will find other people who are interested in that thing too. When it comes down to writing your sales copy for that, this is when it comes to understanding your avatar. Why do they want to learn this thing? Is it for pure pleasure and joy? Is it a way to pass the time? Is it because for them learning that skill gives them a sense of pride? Are they trying to create financial freedom? And is that through a job, an employment, breaking out of being stuck at home every day? Maybe it's somebody who's trying to retrain and change their life completely. Maybe it's somebody who's chosen to look after children at home for a number of years and wants to go and get themselves their own career or their own pathway. Is it the side hustle? It's not always about making money. And in fact, usually that is very, very low down the list. So if you're thinking that the only way for you to make money with an online course is to create an online course about how to make money, Stop right now. Please remember that your people are human and they have far more motivations for taking your course and reasons why they want to find somebody like you, way above and beyond just making some income. If you've got any questions about creating online courses, hit me up. Speak to you soon.